We're here today to show you the new Argon Optibike. This is a completely new model for us. We've been working on this for about 3 years. The goal has been to produce a bike that's lightweight, easy and simple to ride, doesn't require much maintenance, and can go the distance. A bike that anybody can ride easily. And we wanted something of high quality. We've tried over the years importing bikes, and they just didn't have the quality we were looking for at Optibike. And that's probably why it's taken us 3 years to finally finish the Argon. So the Argon is 37 pounds, and it also has a 37 volt, 14 amp hour battery. Now that's very, very light for a bike with this battery capacity. There's other bikes that claim to be lighter, but they have about half the size of the battery. So this means you're going to get a much longer range. To get that lightweight, we did some special things. This bike features a carbon fiber fork that takes some weight off. It also has 700 by 38 millimeter tires. So that's an 1.5 inch wide tire. That's going to give you more grip on the road and more security. Now this bike is very simple. It has a belt drive. And a belt drive means there's no lubrication required, no maintenance. And it also means your pants, legs don't get dirty with grease because there's no grease on it. Now this bike features a 500 watt rear hub motor. And this motor is basically silent. You virtually can't hear it when you're riding. It's a very integrated experience. Now one thing that's special on this bike is it has a double-sided torque sensor. There's 3 ways of controlling this type of bike. One is with a cadence sensor that just goes when you pedal. The other is a single-sided torque sensor, which only one side of the pedal responds. And this has a double-sided. We did this for several reasons. One is you can get going on hills with this. That's something a lot of these other lighter bikes don't do, because they don't have the torque sensor, or they have a smaller battery, they only have a 250 watt motor. When you combine the 500 watt motor, the 14 amp hour battery, and the dual-sided torque sensor, you can easily get going and climb 10% grades on this bike. And that can't be done with other bikes. So that's a big plus. The bike's easy to ride. Now we didn't put any gears on here because a lot of people just don't want to shift. This is a bike, if you live in town, you got a 10-mile ride, 8-10 miles, this bike is perfect for just riding there. It's simple, you turn it on and you go. Now let's talk a little bit about the power control. It has a really nice small LCD display, and it has 5 power levels, so you can adjust the power level to maximize your range. It has Shimano disc brakes, front and rear. So that means you have excellent stopping power. And I mentioned it has the 38 millimeter tires, and that's great because it gives better cushioning on the road and better traction. And you know, commuting sometimes can be a little rough. You have debris in the road, gravel, branches and stuff. So with these tires, you can ride over them. So it's aluminum frame. The battery and the controller are housed in the frame. They can't be stolen this way. Bike's easy to charge. It's a charge port over here. You just plug it in and charge it. And I mentioned it's lightweight. Now lightweight means you can pick this bike up and you can put it on a bike rack. If you live in the town and you need to carry it up your stairs, you can do that. And that's really something different. 37 pounds versus 55 pounds is a huge difference for people that need to move their bike around easily. Maybe you want to put it on a train or you got to commute part of your way, then this is the bike for you. And it's got aluminum frame, so this is really durable. You know, if you drop it, you hit it, it's not going to get damaged at all. So all in all, this is an excellent package. Adjustable seat. Great for somebody who wants a simple bike, easy to ride, very low maintenance, and it's super high quality. It has the Optibike quality in it.